Let's explore. The Celebrity Reflection. Why should this cruise be on your list? In 2023, the Celebrity Reflection finished extensive updates and dry dock refurbishment. This included updates to the ship's aesthetics throughout, such as a new blue-colored hull and enhancements to its amenities and technical systems. Celebrity Reflection typically sails itineraries in the Caribbean during winter months and in Europe, Mediterranean during summer seasons. While not the newest ship in Celebrity's fleet, it underwent renovations to add upgraded features and remains a popular choice for many cruisers looking for a mid-sized to large ship experience with Celebrity Cruises. Part of the 2023 updates included expansion of the spa's Persian Garden, new shopping experiences, updates to the Lawn Club, and updates to Den on 7, elevated bars and lounges, including a reimagined passport bar and the introduction of Craft Social. Major highlights. While not unique to Reflection, it's worth noting that about 78% of the ship's staterooms have verandas, offering private outdoor space to a large portion of guests. There is a real grass lawn on the top deck called the Lawn Club. Also, Lawn Club cabanas. These reservable cabanas offer shaded views of the Lawn Club and sea, with perks like bottled water, fans, fresh fruit, and more. Game on. The new, innovative, whimsical twist on the traditional card room with 6 32-inch touchscreen tables featuring 8 interactive games inspired by modern-day experiences and familiar classics. Celebrity Reflection is part of Celebrity Cruises' Solstice-class of ships. It was launched in October 2012 and is the 5th and final ship in the Solstice-class. As the largest of the Solstice-class ships, the Reflection can accommodate over 3,000 guests while still offering spacious public areas. It has 17 decks. On board, there are multiple dining options. The Reflection features 12 restaurants catering to different tastes, from buffets to, specialty dining venues like the Italian Steakhouse and French-themed restaurant. Adult-only areas. The ship has an adults-only solarium with an indoor pool and hot tubs reserved for guests age 16 and older. Wellness facilities. The Reflection offers a full-service spa, salon, and well-equipped fitness center, making it ideal for wellness-focused travelers. Entertainment venues. The ship boasts a large theater for shows, as well as multiple bars and lounges for evening entertainment. Excellent service. Many reviews highlight the impeccable service provided by the crew members. Celebrity Reflection offers a variety of dining options, including the main Opus dining room, specialty restaurants like Tuscan Grill, and casual venues like the Ocean View Cafe. Celebrity Reflection currently offers a variety of itineraries, primarily sailing from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. There are plenty of options for short getaways, including 3-night cruises to Perfect Day at Coco Cay and Bimini Island. The ship offers a variety of cruise lengths, including 3, 4, 6, 8, and 10-night voyages. Many of the itineraries feature stops at popular Caribbean destinations. Michael's Club is an exclusive lounge designed for guests of the retreat. It offers a spacious and quiet ambiance located near the specialty restaurants on the ship. Lumine is reserved for guests staying in the retreat. The restaurant seats just 92 passengers, creating a VIP atmosphere, open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with no reservations required. It offers high-quality, modern, eclectic cuisine with globally inspired dishes. The Reflection Suite is the most opulent accommodation on the ship, offering a luxurious and spacious experience at 1,636 square feet. And a nearly 200 square foot balcony. You have access to the retreat, which includes a private sun deck, lounge, and the Lumine restaurant. The penthouse suite includes a separate living area with a baby grand piano, a dining table, and a butler's pantry. The suite has a private veranda with a whirlpool and lounge seating, offering stunning ocean views. The Royal Suite is 590 square feet with a private veranda of 195 square feet. The veranda is equipped with a whirlpool. The Signature Suite is 441 square feet with a private veranda of 118 square feet located in a private section of the ship, accessible only to guests with a special card key. The Celebrity Suite is a little smaller and includes a separate living room with dining and sitting areas and floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows providing stunning ocean views. The Sky Suite is considered the entry-level suite category for the retreat experience. It can accommodate up to 4 guests. It is 300 square feet with a 79 square foot private veranda. All suites on Celebrity Reflection offer 24-hour butler service, priority check-in, luggage packing and unpacking assistance, shoe shine service, full in-suite dining service with an expanded room service menu, afternoon tea service. The Blue Restaurant is considered one of the prettiest and most serene dining spots. It is reserved for guests booked in Aqua-class cabins. It offers spa cuisine, which focuses on healthier dining options. The menu includes a variety of dishes that are both nutritious and flavorful. The Persian Garden is an exclusive access spa. It is complimentary for Aqua-class guests and available for a fee to other passengers, designed to promote relaxation and rejuvenation with a serene ambiance and soothing decor. The veranda staterooms offer a comfortable and stylish accommodation option with private outdoor space. There are several types, including concierge class, aqua class, deluxe, and more. Ocean view staterooms are 177 square feet. They feature 2 convertible lower beds that can be converted to a king-size bed. They are a popular choice for passengers who prefer an outside cabin but don't require a private balcony. The inside staterooms offer a comfortable and budget-friendly accommodation option. They are about 200 square feet or smaller. They do not have windows. The Opus restaurant is the main dining room on the ship. It is aft of decks 3 and 4, 2-story high glass wine tower and dazzling chandeliers, serves world and continental cuisine. The dinner menu has up to 29 selections. The Mast Grill is a casual dining venue located on the pool deck, specializes in classic grill fare, including burgers, hot dogs, and fries. The Ocean View Cafe offers a wide variety of international cuisines and dishes, made to order omelets and eggs for breakfast, carving stations with roasted meats, pasta stations, and more. The Spa Cafe and Juice Bar offers light, healthy fare and fresh juices to complement the spa experience. It offers fresh fruit, smoothies, and juices. Cafe Al Baccio and Gelateria is in the central area of the ship near the atrium. Tip for first-time cruisers: don't miss out on the free pastries. They are complimentary. Specialty coffees are available for purchase or can be included in your drink package. Murano is one of the specialty dining restaurants. It offers contemporary French cuisine with a modern twist. It has tableside preparation of certain dishes, which adds a theatrical element to the meal. Signature dishes often feature seafood, prime cuts of meat, and vegetarian options. Le Petit Chef is a unique and immersive dining experience that combines innovative technology with gourmet cuisine. It is interactive dining. Le Petit Chef is an animated character who appears on your plate. The character prepares each course in a whimsical and entertaining way before the actual dish is served. Sushi on 5 has sushi, sashimi, and other Japanese-inspired dishes. A variety of fresh and high-quality seafood options provides a casual yet elegant dining experience with a focus on fresh ingredients. The Lawn Club Grill is a unique dining venue that offers an open-air grilling experience with ocean views, a hands-on chef-driven experience where guests can enjoy grilling near a lawn of fresh-cut grass while surrounded by sea views. The porch is on the top deck with a focus on fresh seafood and a raw bar. It feels like a picnic, mostly seafood, offering dishes such as tuna tartare, lobster rolls, and a variety of Mediterranean cold cuts. Tuscan Grill is an upscale Italian steakhouse experience with a modern twist: homemade pastas, steaks, and seafood. Notable dishes include strozzapreti carbonara, short rib pappardelle ragu, and lobster rigatoni Alfredo. Cellar Masters is now Craft Social, a modern gastropub style venue, an extensive selection of craft beers with up to 40 different varieties available from various countries such as Belgium, England, Canada, and the United States. Also find wines on tap and handcrafted cocktails. The Ensemble Lounge on Celebrity Reflection provides a sophisticated and entertaining environment for guests to relax, socialize, and enjoy high-quality drinks and live music. The Passport Bar is a relaxing and inviting venue located on Deck 3 by the Central Grand Foyer. It is ideally placed for guests to enjoy a cocktail. The Sky Observation Lounge is a versatile and scenic venue for guests, a tranquil spot where passengers can relax, enjoy breathtaking ocean views, and sip on cocktails. Transforms into a lively music venue. The Sunset Bar is a must-visit spot for those looking to make the most of their cruise experience, a serene space to gather with friends and fellow travelers while enjoying the beauty of the open sea. The Martini Bar has a perfect blend of entertainment and mixology, making it a popular spot for guests to enjoy drinks, socialize, and watch impressive bartending performances throughout their cruise experience. The Pool and Mast Bar is situated poolside on the ship's upper deck, providing easy access for guests lounging by the pool or soaking up the sun. An energetic, lively, and casual environment. The World Class Bar has an exclusive cocktail menu. The bar specializes in premium craft cocktails, many of which are not available elsewhere on the ship. An upscale atmosphere, the venue has a rich, intimate ambiance. The Lawn Club has a half acre of real live grass where passengers can walk barefoot, relax, and enjoy outdoor activities. The ship showcases a diverse collection of artworks throughout its public spaces, including original pieces by renowned artists. The Galleria has a variety of luxury boutiques. These shops offer high-end fashion, exclusive jewelry, designer watches, and sunglasses. A multifunctional conference center located on the promenade deck, Deck 4. A multi-purpose outdoor basketball court located on Deck 15. This court is part of a larger sports area. Camp at Sea ensures younger travelers have plenty of engaging options to enjoy during their cruise, allowing parents to relax knowing their children are having fun in a supervised environment. The Aqua Spa includes a glass-covered solarium with an adult-only resistance pool and whirlpools. It features a thermal suite called the Persian Garden, which offers various relaxation and wellness experiences. The fitness center is considered one of the best gyms at sea by many cruisers. The theater is the ship's main show lounge located on decks 3, 4, and 5 at the forward end of the ship. Premier venue for live performances. The solarium is an adult-oriented indoor pool area designed for relaxation and tranquility, enclosed by glass walls and a glass roof. The main pool area is located outdoors on Deck 14 with 2 large pools and 4 whirlpools. Includes a pool bar and a wet zone for kids and teens. The library, a well-stocked and organized library located on the Sky Deck, Deck 10, a cozy and convenient space for guests to unwind with a good book. The Hideaway provides a peaceful escape for guests looking to relax away from the busier areas of the ship. A quiet spot to disconnect, rest, and relax. Interested in learning more? Contact us at vincentvacations.com. We are your cruise travel agent experts.